everyone. So next topic we are having percentage, and we have to find out percentage. We have to convert a number percentage into a number. So let's take one example. Suppose you are having 15% of 240. Okay, and this one is in rupees. So when you want to find out 15% of 240 rupees, so how can you convert this percent into a rupees? So what will you do? First you have to remove this percent sign. So how can you remove this percent sign? For that, what you have to do, write 15 upon 100. This off is going to convert into multiplication. On the place of off you have to write multiplication, and then 240 as it is. Okay, now divide it. So 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2 2s are 5 1s are 5 3s are. So your answer will be what? 12 3s are 36, and this one is in rupees. So your answer will be this. Okay, then the next one, what we are having in percentage, when you want to find out when you want to find out x. Okay, so we have one question. Suppose you want to find out value of x if this one is the next question. Okay, if 15% of x is 75, so we have to find out value of x. Okay, so how can you find out? So what we can do, we can write this sentence into equation. Okay, 15%, that means what we can do, we can write 15% as 15 upon 100. This of we can write multiplication. X is, you have to write equal to, and this 75. Okay, now how can you solve this? Take this whole term that side, so it will become, it's a reciprocal. Okay, so you will get 75 multiplied by 100 upon 15. So now multiply 15 ones and 15 5s are. So your answer will be, it is very simple, your answer will be 500. So this is the method of converting percentage into number.